Box, 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 box. Winifred. Box, 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 box. Winifred. Box, 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 box. Winifred. Box. Amin. Okay. Ngayon, ito mga ginagawa natin, we'll incorporate it in a shooting setup. And go. Natapos, pause. Okay, that's our group 3. Yung mga last minutes na.
3, 2, 1, go! Diba?
You can, my friend, China, yun yung hiningan niyo ng 1 minute. Ano na yan? Okay, congratulations to you. Okay. The lesson I have learned, when I do this exercise, what are the lessons? Okay, let's start with you first, and then I will share with you the lesson I learned. Feedback, anybody who wants to share? About just one line, how does it feel? Let's start with you.
Stage.
Ano?
Stage presence.
What do you mean?
Stage presence.
Meaning, ano yung sabihin? Ano yung sabihin for stage presence? May sense of performance? Ibig sabihin, magka-perform na ako. Di ba yung sabihin?
Yung pagbibigay na dapat.
Okay, yes. Importante. Kahit hindi mo alam, kunyari alam mo. If all else fails, take off your clothes, okay? Di ba, ganun yun? At yun sa social media, di ba? Nagbo-boil ka ng itlog pero nakakita ka. Wala, it's a joke. Okay, anything else? So yung mahalaga, you have one chance. Take it up.
Siguro, anything happens, enjoy.
Okay, important yun, enjoy. So importante na, yun nga, you have one chance. Do your best. Enjoy. What else?
Unity.
Unity. Kasi you're moving as one. So importante na sumabay. What else? Sorry? Cooperation. So put it together, you need to cooperate. Creativity. You need to come up with a dance with this vocabulary. So, what else? Okay. I will advance. If you notice from the first group, it's almost like a parang 1, 2, 3. Di ba ganun? 1, 2, 3. Tama. Tapos sa next second group, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1. Nagkaroon ng tinatawag na nagkaroon ng elements of it's a viewpoint state. I will talk about it. Who's heard of viewpoints? By teacher Anne Bogart. Viewpoints was something made by Anne Bogart, but it has to do, it's actually a tool for choreography. So I'll share it with you later. Next is, tapos doon sa sumunod, nagkaroon ng tono. Diba, may music. So anyway, ngayon, ano ang natutunan ko dito when I do this exercise? There are two things, one or two things I've learned. One, is that sometimes, and this is in reference to what we were talking about earlier, sometimes when we do something, di ba, kayo, nag-show na kayo, one way or another, you perform. Napakahalaga ng una. Yung una is, magagawa ko ba? At pag nagawa mo na, ay kaya ko. Now I can do a second one, or a third one, or a fourth one. So the first one is really just to get rid of your nerves. Hindi ba? There will be mistakes. You don't know what those mistakes will be until you get there. And then, the mistake happens, doon ako nagkamali. Okay, I will remember that mistake next time. So what we'll do now is we'll do the same thing, pero one after another. Sunod-sunod na. Okay, we start with group 1 here, group 2 at the back, and group 3. As soon as, parang Parang that's entertainment. Pagkatapos sumayaw ng Monday group, pasok ang Tuesday group, pasok ang Wednesday group. Ready? Mabilis yan ha, para lang yung ma-rescue nyo yung sarili nyo. Di ba? Kung ano man yung feelings nyo dun sa una, i-improve nyo ngayon. Pero dito pa rin ang audience ha. Ito ang wing. Ito ang wing. So dito